In.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great Thanksgiving holiday, folks. Beautiful thing. Be impeccable with your word. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will manifest through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are will be what? Will be manifested through what you say each and every day. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 57, Nasdaq's up 6, S&P's are flat, gold contract up $12, trading at $12.93 an ounce. Silver up 17 cents, $17.13 an ounce. Platinum up $6, $9.42 an ounce. We have the copper market flat, $3.13 a pound. Notes and bonds, guess what, folks? They just want higher price. Pretty amazing. 10-year note up 14 ticks, 125.04. 30-year bond up 14 ticks, 154.17. King dollar. Get the peanut butter and jelly out, get the butter out, toast it up, because King dollar is toasted and roasted. Down 727 ticks, trading 93.150. The euro is at 118.25 to the US dollar. The yen is at 111 to the US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, let's go to the world of good old King dollar first. So, what do we have with King dollar? Well, if we take a look at King dollar, what you have is this. Since April of this year, this was the first bounce that we had got since April of this year. That bounce started on September 8th. We were at 90.795, came off the lows, got up to the price point of 95.060. And when it did break the swing point on the 26th of October, that was a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Bottom line, never made it. We got to 95.060, where the ABC structure was 95.940. What does it do at that point? Bottom line, you come off that point. You come off that point with volume. If I turn this into now a continuous contract so you can look at the larger picture, what you'll actually see is that King dollar topped out the week of January 3rd. That was 103. So what we've done is this. You went straight down all year, $103, down to 90. You did a counter trend bounce up to 95. If we take a look at that and you do that on a Fibonacci sequence, what you're going to see is that that baby couldn't even do a 0.382 retracement. Now, what that means specifically is that that's how weak it is. A dead cat bounce, folks, is a 0.382 retracement. So, real question now is this a monster ABC down? Well, if we take the top of it, which is 103, you take the bottom line, you get $13, right? $13 is going to get you down to the, let's see, you get 85. Oh, my God, you get 82. Well, it looks to me that that's exactly what we're going to have. The reason being is that when we bring this back a little bit further, you're going to see that when we actually broke the consolidation that we've been in going all the way back to February of 2015, what sticks out like a sore thumb is the highs from 08. And that's 88 to 89. You break 88 to 89, you're going to be down to 72. Direct correlation to that, let's go over to the gold market. What you have inside the gold market is this. I'm going to put the continuous contract up in the gold market. So, September 8th, one of your benchmarks out here. Right now, you're at $12.93. I expect gold's going to make a run to $13.58. That being said, now watch when you bring this up. When we bring this up and we put this on a continuous contract, it's going to really get intriguing. The reason being is this, is that the last high in gold swing point, the gold also has been this consolidation as the dollar has, going all the way back to May of 2013. I expect, number one, you're going to go after the 1377. The real kicker is if you break 1377, then you get game in the market. Because that game in the market would get you up to 1794 and very well could get you to the 1920 mark. So this is going to be really intriguing watching how this whole thing shakes out. Now, let's go into the bond market because the correlation is direct, and that correlation, we take a look at the 30-year continuous contract, and what you're going to see is this. The 30 years trading at 154.16. The swing high from the 8th of September is 159.16. We take this and we put this on a continuous contract, and what you're going to see is that if we break, excuse me, folks, the 159.16, well, what game there is those highs out there from 2016, which is the 177 area. It's pretty wild watching this thing shake out, and where the movement came inside the gold market, inside the metal market in general, inside the U.S. dollar, had everything to do with the Fed fund, with the Federal Reserve minutes coming out from its October 31st, November 1st meeting. And inside of that, what you had is this, is that there's kind of a unanimous spin on, yes, they are going to go up on short-term rates at their next meeting. Their next meeting is going to be December 13th, so that's 100% probability inside the Fed fund futures rate. That being said, what is not basically on the table is the amount of rate hikes in 2018 and how this is going to shake out, particularly because what you had dissension inside the minutes as to going up before inflation starts hitting, over 2%, because right now what you have inflation still under 2%. So bottom line is that we're going to see where this shakes out. And, the Fed had been projecting 3 rate hikes in 2018, but bottom line is that they're not altogether with this, that we are going to go up 3 times in 2018. And that's when you've seen bonds take off topside once again. You've seen the dollar get destroyed. S&P really didn't do much. We take a look at some of the higher well, let's go to the S&P first, because we're coming into Thanksgiving holiday on Friday. Market is opened until 1 o'clock, and I expect what you're going to see on Friday, we're at highs. We're going to close at highs today. Bottom line, they can pop it on Friday, meaning pop it higher. There's going to be no one at work. 877-927-6648. We have the Dow Industrials down 59. NASDAQ is up 5. S&P's are flat. Gold's up 11.50. Silver's up 17 cents. Going to be right back, folks.